Hello friends, I am Maypal Singh with another episode of drawing. Today I am going to draw a cow with background. So start with a circle, then the muzzle almost square shape, and then the rest body start with a wide shape circle. In the head, center line and eye line, circle shape eyes, little flat on the top. Hair bridge of the nose, then the big nostril, smiley muzzle, shaping it, small horns, big ears, then the back. It is flow hair on the back. Then we make a straight line for the reference of the leg, then giving to shape it. You can see in the middle circle donated knees here. The foot, has back legs. Back legs anatomically different from the front. So now the tail. It is a cow, so we make this part, this body part also. Grasses here. Back side here, I am making a small wooden wall. This is usually in the field to keep animal in the fixed area or for not let them go to the other's field. Okay, it's very easy. Bu- Bushes on the back side of the wall. Big mountain in the background. Sun here. Birds. So now the pencil work complete, and we do original shape with pen and erase the pencil. Here some marks on the cow's body. And now we coloring it. Start with yellow and green, to show the land. And the grasses. And blue for the shadow of the cow. And now black on the body's marks. And now purple to give some effect. It is a white cow, but purple make it little bit effect. Give it little bit effect on the bridge of the nose. Pink in the muzzle. Leave the nostril. Blue in horns. Tail. Crimson in the wood, but we can use hair brown also. Green in the bushes. Purple in the mountain. Yellow sun. Sky blue in the sky. So our drawing is complete. I hope you're enjoying it. Try it now on the paper. Please subscribe my channel. See you soon and bye bye.